This is release question number 13 for Cahsee Math. It says this: last year, 7/16 of all students at a school participated in the science fair. About what percentage of the students participated? And so 7 out of 16. I want to think about this first and think that is less than 8 out of 16. And I know 8 out of 16 would be 1/2. Therefore, this has to be a little less than half, a little less than 50%. So choice D doesn't make sense because of that. I'm going to cross that out. And it seems like it's just a little less than half. So I feel like I can eliminate A and B as well. I'm going to say C is the right answer. I'm not going to circle it quite yet. I want to check the numbers on this, but that sure seems like that's the most reasonable answer of what's left, or of what's here. And so let's work the long division out here. That's how I can do a problem like this precisely and exactly. So 7 out of 16. 7 divided by 16. 16 goes on the outside. 7 is getting divided by 16. So it doesn't go into there at first. So you put a 0 here, add the decimals, and does 16 go into 70? It sure does. How many times? I'm thinking it's going to be 4, so I'm going to try that first. 4 times 16 would be, you could work that out if you needed to, but I know 16 times 2 would be 32, and so 2 more times 32 would be 64. That's a little mental math trick there. And so we're left with 6. And so I've got a 0. I could carry this down. Another 0. I'm not done yet, so I would continue on my way here. This would be a 3. 3 times 16 would be 48. And that would leave me with a 12. And so I could continue going here. So this I'll just put a little dot 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 there though. So this is definitely closest of my answer choices. We would probably find that if we put a 0 here, this would be a number that would round this up to 44%. So this is approximately 44%. This is what we thought it would be, choice C.